You guys are welcome to come closer up here.
Yeah. All right, we're traveling. We're traveling. The upper deck is full. Yeah, we're good. All right, we're traveling.
So as we say every year about this time, Tannerite has about 1/2 the strength of TNT. So it's 0.55 RE, that's relative effectiveness. So if you got 2 pounds of Tannerite, which we have more than that out here, then you've got about 1 pound, worth 1 pound of TNT. So isn't that nice? You can go buy this for yourself. It's perfectly legal. Go for it. Do this in your backyard. I'm sure your neighbors will love it.
Yeah, they would.
Are you ready?
Everybody ready?
Hold on.
Hold on.
Fire in the hole.
Fire in the hole.
Range is hot. Fire in the hole. Fire in the hole. Fire in the hole.
I think they heard that 3 counties over. I know I got it. Oh, that'll be exciting. Oh, it's going to burn for a little while.
It's going to burn for a long time. You're going to feel the heat burn.
Oh, yeah. There's the boom. I made the whole trip worth it. Holy cow. Now, how many trees were in there?
238.
238. 238 Christmas trees. Gave their lives.
So by the way,
Twice.
Chuck Norris was out there in active vigor form on top of the Tannerite. So if you find him, you get a free hat. Bring it back to the boat.
All right, I'm going to try to walk carefully. I will get a little closer. They got a bridge over there. Ho! You know, I love Donna. This is the bonfire she would absolutely love. I don't know about the explosion, but this is her bonfire. She would love this. Ah, snap, crackle, pop. Man, I got to be 20, 30 yards. I can feel the heat from here. Reminds me of the old joke. White man build big fire, stand far away. Indian build small fire, stay close. All right. Shalom.
Everybody can walk around and go around to the other side.